The sound of the forest after a nice rain. Hear the ravens. There's another one over there. Oh, he's up there somewhere. Flying along the trees. It's nothing like a nice walk in the mountains along a trail. You can see right there's elk tracks. So there's elk in here. Oh, I hear a car way down the hill. A couple of them coming up. That always ruins nature when you got people racing around up here playing on their four-wheelers and junk. When you want to come out and enjoy nature and all you hear is people racing around, that's kind of takes away from the experience, in my opinion. Pretty cool though, all these dead stumps up here. There's chunks of fat wood and stuff up here. Oh, that squeaky guy's back. Hear that squeak? Right. I don't know if that's a frog or what it is. There's a little hole underneath that laying down log and it's making a squeaking sound. Pretty neat. Hear the birds. Walked up on that hill up there, and now I'm gonna walk back down this trail here, listening to the beautiful sounds of the birds and trying not to run into those little guys hanging on the trees, little tiny spiders. Ooh. Hear that? I hear another bird. It's funny, you can hear so many birds, but you rarely see one walking down way into the forest. You hear them, especially after a rain. Gosh, it wakens them all up. I don't know if you can hear all those noises, but surrounded by birds. Sure makes for an enjoyable time walking through the woods. There's a little creek running down there. I can hear a little bit of water running. All these old stumps right here that were logged off. This is where I got a bunch of my fat wood. Oh, there's the opening down there to the creek. We used to come up here when I was a kid and there was a lot more water flow in that. And there used to actually be trout in there and you could fish. When I was a kid, we used to catch our dinner out of that, but a lot less water down this creek for this last 15 years or so. And there's something right there. Right there, flat. I don't know what that is. It's like something humanoid. Alright. Down the trail we go some more. Nice, beautiful trail going up through there. Easy to follow. It's an elk trail. There's quite a few game species in this area. Definitely wolves. Comes another car because there's a road over there a ways. There's an elk track right there in front of my shoe. Kind of covered them up a little bit with this rain. You can see there's a spot right there. It was pushed up pretty fresh, so there was one here not too long ago that came through. But I'm really interested in checking out that thing down there to see what that is. But there's tall grass several feet high all the way around. You can see this tall grass all the way around that thing right there. I want to see what that is. But I don't want to get soaking wet because I didn't bring rain pants. And I'm just wearing jeans. But it's really thick stuff all the way around that. Oh, there's a little bird hopping in that little tree right there. I just flew across. Like a beautiful walk in the woods. This tree doesn't look like it's been down too long. It looks like some fresh cuts on it. Interesting. Someone was up here like getting some wood for the campfire, it looks like. I mean, the thing's probably been down for several years, but somebody's been harvesting branches off of it. I can see where the stump is down there where it was chopped. Somebody cut that flat. The top of that log. Interesting. There's some kind of container right there. Somebody left. There's an old axe handle. It's an interesting little spot. I don't know where they cut this off right here. This log flat like that. It's loose too.